Hey, what's up guys? Brad here, and today I'm going to be talking about automation and how it could lead to a potentially free society. Now, what do I mean by that? Well, as it stands right now, we need people to run our society. We need people to go mine the resources. We need them to, build the buildings and maintain the trash and sewage systems. We need people to make our clothes and our phones. That's how it stands right now. And so we need to give people a reason, good or bad. We need to leverage them, right? But moving forward, as automation starts to get better and better, we could get to a place where androids could do all the labor. Will we get there? I don't know. But if we do, that could open the door to a truly free society where everybody lives for free, right? You just have your house, have food brought to you, you could have your entertainment, do whatever you want to do, as long as it's in the confines of a few laws, like don't purposely go kill people or riot, things like that. The main point is that people would be able to do what they want to do, right? If they want to shoot a movie with their friends, they could. If they wanted to learn another language, if they wanted to learn a freestyle rap, I don't know, whatever you want to do, you could do, right? And I know, it's now you can do it, but sometimes you still have to do that other thing. You might have to go wait tables and then try to start a business or, learn your second language. Whatever it is, it has to come second because we live in a society where we're leveraged and are forced to come up with this money to be alive. Now, for full automation to work, in my opinion, we need to create androids without sentience, that cannot perceive in the way that human beings can. Because if we create that, then we've essentially created human-like creatures that they're just going to feel like slaves themselves. And so we haven't improved anything, we've just moved it sideward. And that's not the goal here. The goal is for humans to be free and for them to be guilt-free. But that's just me, guys. I want to hear from you. Do you think a fully automated society is possible? Do you think a fully free society is possible? Leave a comment below and let me know. If you liked the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It does help me out a lot. Till next time, guys, I'm Brad, and this is Bradcast.